When trying to use the Send As functions on Outlook desktop application, there is a small amount of initial setup you will need to do. You can add the From option by opening a new email and selecting the Options tab at the top. Depending on the settings of your toolbar, you may need to expand this to see the corresponding options. This can be done by selecting the down arrow on the right hand side of the toolbar. Once expanded, select From and the From field will be added. Once you have the From field added, select it and it will open a box that you can enter an email address into. Then select OK to confirm. When selecting the From drop-down, anytime after this, addresses added previously will be available to select. As discussed previously in this series, to use Send As functions for a certain address, you will need to have the corresponding permissions in place, which can be added by admins. If you do not have the permissions needed, you will receive an email like we see here. Note that the From option can be added in the same manner when using the Outlook web application, and functions in a near identical manner.